Today during your phonics word study lesson, you talked about how roots can help you determine what words mean sometimes and how they're related. You used words that had gram in them, and you talked about how maybe not knowing a definition of one of these words, you could figure out what it meant based on the root, gram. Then you filled out a web using agree, and you created different words for each of these circles that all had the root, agree. Today for your practice, you are going to look at the Greek root in the middle of the web. Read the words in the word bank column, choose words that belong in the word web from the word bank, and then you're going to type those words in the circle around the web. So in the middle, we have the word enjoy, and we have all of these words in our word bank. The word collect does not have the same root as enjoy, so we are not going to type that in one of these circles. Then we look at the word enjoyable. Enjoyable has the root enjoy, so I am going to click in the circle and type enjoyable. I'm going to do that for the rest of the words and fill in my chart. Then you also have another word web to complete as well. You're going to do the exact same thing. Submit on Schoology when finished.